Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find SOMI or Somnia wallet address on Binance. So Somnia or SOMI token will get this on Binance, so you can trade your SOMNI on Binance app. And if you want to send your SOMNI to Binance apps, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is advanced here. You can click it. Then you can choose on-chain deposit. Then you can type SOMI and click this one, SOMI. Then you can choose the network. When I create this video, the network available is only Somnia, so you can choose Somnia here. Then this is your Somnia wallet address on Binance, so you can copy it and then you can send your Somnia and make sure the network is Somnia. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.